A typical white-collar job in Ghana attracts a total number of 100 to 300 applicants seeking to occupy that position. And this is according to DeepSeek. DeepSeek is one of the artificial intelligence tools used to conduct various researches and analysis. As a young graduate coming out from college and hoping to navigate through the job market and also hoping to gain employment in any institution or a company, you need to make sure that you take into consideration certain tips and measures. And the following tips I'm about to share with you will be taken into consideration in case you want to succeed in the job market. As a young graduate coming out from college without any skills and experiences needed to occupy any advertised position, you have to make sure that you take into consideration internships and volunteerism. Internships and volunteerism form part of your work experience whenever you are seeking to occupy or whenever you are seeking for employment and other opportunities. Many graduates, including master students and other educational hierarchy members, neglect internships and volunteerism. Meanwhile, internships and volunteerism form part of your work experience when you are seeking to occupy or when you are seeking for employment from any institution. As a young graduate or a fresh graduate, one of the easiest and simple way to acquire work experience and to use them to apply for various job vacancies that come your way day in, day out is to make sure you make use of your work experience, is to make sure you use your internships and volunteerism you conducted or you performed during your time back at school. Even when you are not more in school, you need to make sure that you volunteer in projects with NGOs, companies, and other institutions. Another tip for you to make use of to succeed in the job market is for you to optimize your online presence. Make sure that you are updated with online trends so that you'll be able to get updates from various stakeholders, companies, and institutions. Another tip is for you to make sure that you have an up-to-date CV that will keep you going. You need to get a CV that summarizes your personal details, your work experience, skills, and abilities relevant and needed for any job vacancy that may come your way day in, day out. Another tip for you to maintain or that will help you to navigate the job market is to optimize your LinkedIn or your online presence. As I said earlier, there are majority of job applicants out there who don't even have LinkedIn accounts. Meanwhile, on LinkedIn, you can get enough opportunities and job vacancies that will best suit your industry or that will best suit your course of study. So always make sure that you navigate and make sure that you present yourself well on LinkedIn so that when potential employers visit your profile, they will know that you are really serious about what you are doing. The last tip is to network strategically, because your network is your network.